We'll guide you through how to make a laptop like new again, and we're going to do a full reset. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you've had your laptop for a long time, or you just got a lot of data on it which you no longer want and you want to get a fresh start. So with this guide, we're going to go and remove everything. All files, all apps, all settings are going to go and be lost. And it's going to be like when you first got it, setting it up from scratch like it was from the factory. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Remember, everything is going to be permanently lost. So what you should do is you should go back up any files you want to keep. You could go and get an external hard drive, USB drive, plug it in, and you can then go and move the files onto it. Alternatively, you could go and put them into your OneDrive or another cloud platform online. As I said, they are all going to be permanently lost, so do consider that. So when you're ready to go and start the process, what we need to do is we need to come down and you need to find the option for the Windows Start button. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key. This will pop up, and in here, you want to go and find the option for Settings and click on it. This will open up, and then what you want to do is come over to the left, and you can go and find the option for System, as you can see. Now in System, what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down on the right, and you need to go and find the option for recovery. So went a bit far, recovery here. You can always go and search for this if you struggle to go and find it. So you want to go and click on recovery like so. Now you want to come down to reset this PC recovery options. It says choose to keep or remove your personal files and reinstall Windows. We're going to go and remove them, but you can actually keep them potentially. So you can go and press reset PC and we get this pop up. And then it says choose an option. So you can go and keep files. This removes apps and settings, but keeps your personal files. Or remove everything. Removes all your personal files, apps, and settings, which is what we want to do. So let's click there. Now it's going to start getting things ready. You can choose if you want to go and reinstall Windows. I'm going to do a local reinstall. So this will reinstall Windows from this device. You could download and reinstall it, but of course you don't have to go and download it. So if you've got a slow internet connection, that can take a while. I'll do a local reinstall, read this through the current settings, and you can press next. It will then say getting things ready, and then it will go and say ready to reset this PC. So it's going to tell you what resetting is going to go and do. It'll remove all of the personal settings and user accounts, remove any changes made to settings, remove any apps and programs that didn't come with this PC, and then reinstall it. This will take a while and your PC will restart. BitLocker drive encryption will be turned off. So when you're ready, you can go and press reset and the process will then go and begin. Just be patient, it will take a bit of time. It's definitely worth having it plugged in. As you can see, mine already is powered, so it will then go and stay charged during the process. That's it. When you're ready, press reset and the process will go and begin.